Hello, and welcome to our Summer 21 release blog highlights. There are so many exciting new release notes to look through, so we wanted to select our favourite and draw your attention to some of these incredible new changes. Firstly, let's introduce you to targeted prompts in InApp Guidance. In either single prompts or walkthroughs, click on Targeting mode and highlight the element on the page you want to target. If you want to select where the prompt aligns with the page, left, right, top or bottom, tick Use Custom Positioning. Secondly, let's take a look at permission set group assignment expiry, which enables us to give a permission set to someone temporarily, for example for a data cleanse. Once enabled, select whether you would like the permission set to last forever, which is normal behaviour, or for a specific amount of time, for example 1 week. Assigning a permission set for a specific amount of time ensures that the right people have the right permissions at the right time. Up next is record access reasons in Lightning Experience. Have you ever wondered why a user has access to a particular record? With the summer release, you can now do so. Click on the drop-down menu from the right-hand side corner and select Sharing Hierarchy to see who has access to the specific record. The Einstein search bar is an enhanced search bar feature with the capability of returning results which are personalized based on a user's activity. Natural language search allows users to type in phrases such as "my upcoming events" or "opportunities closed today." It even allows our users to accomplish tasks from the search bar. Finally, an update on my Trailhead, our favourite e-learning tool. There are two big changes to discuss: an update on how content is saved and how to upload badges. Firstly, content is now saved on the cloud as you work and is associated to your login, rather than cached to your browser, allowing you to log into the My Trailhead site from different browsers or a private browser. An updated time on the right-hand side of the screen will tell you when the content was last saved. Finally, we have a new way to add badges to content. Rather than hosting your badges and adding the URL to My Trailhead site, you can now upload the badge directly from your desktop. And there we have it, an overview on some of our favourite new features from the Summer 2021 release. Should you have any questions, please reach out to us. Goodbye and see you next time.